Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video for you. In this spread, I'll be doing something a little different. I have some papers from Allison, Pennington. I think these are the Stormy Weather paper pack. So I'll be using those in the background here. And then I will be looking on Pixel Scrapper for a bunch of random elements that will coordinate. Sometimes when I'm looking through the different stores, I'll really like the papers, but I don't necessarily enjoy my real problem is that I need a lot of elements. I like a lot of variety, and so a lot of times people will just, have a more limited selection, which is completely understandable. But in cases like that, it's perfectly easy to come on Pixel Scrapper and just kind of type in, what colors you're looking for. Or sometimes I just browse totally randomly to look for things. So here I'm actually looking for black and white, and then I have put a filter on for elements over there on the left. So I'm just looking through for anything that catches my eye, and I will download that. And then now I'm looking for some flowers. I'm just switching back there to remind myself of what colors I'm looking for. Mostly neutrals in this case. And so then you can see I have a little nice collection coming in here. And I can just add in these elements here, make my own kit basically. Because yeah, when I'm making, I have specific elements that I like to use. And I also do like quite a variety. So unless it's a collaboration or, a large blog train, the kits don't usually have all the elements that I'm looking for. So, but that's okay because I can just come here on Pixel Scrapper and look for whatever catches my eye. So this video will take a bit longer because I will be scrolling through Pixel Scrapper here and looking for different items. So here now, I think I just have the random filter on. So on the left side, you can choose what kind of sort you're using. So I will often use the random sort just to kind of bring up, so you're not always looking at what's new or what's been recently added. It's nice to just kind of get a random sampling from the years. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.